For 30 years we've had a problem. Jet can read, but it can't carry a body. Post can carry a body, but it's treated as unsafe, not catchable, not safely retriable. The new HTTP query method finally fixes this. It's like Jet, but it can carry a request body for complex queries. Here is the core tension. Jet is safe and catchable, but has no real body. Post carries a body but is considered unsafe by the web. Query gives you both, the safe, catchable, retriable nature of Get, plus a real request body like Post. Query is a brand new HTTP method with 4 properties. It's safe, meaning it's read-only. It's idempotent, so it can be retried safely. It has a body, allowing for rich, structured queries. And it's catchable, so responses can be reused. Looking at this comparison, the query method ticks every single box. It provides the structured request body of Post while maintaining the safety, idempotency, and catchability of Get. Here is how a query request looks. You have a clean method line and a short URL path. Then, a JSON body holds your structured query, like keyword, category, status, and paging. No more jamming everything into the URL. Consider a product search. With Get, you cram every filter into a long, ugly URL that hits limits and leaks data in logs. With Query, you use a clean path and a structured JSON body. It's private, efficient, and catchable. Query stays catchable through the content location header. When the server responds, it returns a URL identifying the result. The cache stores the response there, so subsequent identical queries are served instantly without an extra round trip to the server. Query shines in many scenarios. Complex searches with faceted filters, sending query languages like GraphQL or SPARQL, handling geospatial coordinate arrays, fetching analytics for dashboards, securing lookups, and performing batch reads in one retriable call. Handling query is familiar. In frameworks like Spring or Express, you simply register a handler for the query method. You read the body as you would with Post, ensuring your service logic remains read-only. Remember these golden rules. Query must be read-only, deterministic, and return a content location header. Watch out for client or proxy support. Avoid hiding rights in your query logic, and be aware that some systems might still struggle with bodies on non-post methods. The IETF has standardized query. Support is growing in frameworks and CDNs. Your best move is to pilot it behind a feature flag while maintaining a fallback for older clients. In short, Query is Get with a body. It solves the Post for search hack, provides clean URLs and private data, supports HTTP caching, and is ready for gradual adoption. That is the query method. Try it on one search endpoint, keep a fallback for older clients, and let me know your use cases in the comments. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates.